Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see a little bit different and very important topic, marketing functions and marketing tasks. What is marketing management? Marketing management, right? So marketing management, two words together we are getting marketing management. Managing the marketing is nothing but the marketing management. So when the product is produced until it reaches to the customer, till that period, whatever the process is there, everything should go systematically. Then only the company is going to get the profits. For that, marketing management is going to play a vital role. Now let's see today first objects, or you can say functions. You can say same functions as responsibilities of marketing also. Functions or responsibilities of marketing. Just simple 5 points you remember. First thing is that planning of marketing activities. How to do the marketing. How the product should reach to the customer. Till that period there are many steps. So that planning is first important thing. Who has to do the planning? Marketing manager. Is it only the responsibility of the marketing manager? Not only the responsibility, he'll plan it. He or his team will plan it, and execution, everything they have to be very careful. So in the initial stage, what they have to do, planning of marketing activities. Just like in auditing, we have seen audit program at different stages. In the same way, here also marketing activities to be planned first. Then after that, organizing marketing activities. Planning is over. Now organize it. How do we organize it? Organizing means nothing but execution. Planning, that plan we have to execute it. So that execution, step by step, to whom we have to give the responsibility, when we have to take the action, how we have to take the action, what is the feedback of that action, do we need any kind of changes, everything is comes under the organizing of the marketing planning activities. Second step. Once organizing is over, next third thing comes to staffing for marketing activities. Very important aspect this is. For marketing activities, you need proper staffing, means proper employees who's having good idea about the marketing. Nowadays, if you see, it's not so easy to appoint the marketing staff. They are having their own strategies. Separate department is there. Recruitment department is there for marketing. So they are selecting the proper candidates and giving the training, and then after that they are putting in the field of marketing. So that is why staffing is very important aspect. If staffing is proper, then execution, organization and everything is going to be perfect. If staff is cooperative, if staff is active, if staff is having knowledge, and if the staff is having strategic ideas, then automatically this marketing will be a successful activity. So that is why that staffing is staffing for the marketing activities. Means nothing but recruiting the employees. That's all. Next one, directing marketing staff. Recruitment is over. Staffing is over. Then what to do? Directing marketing staff. Direct the marketing staff. Guide them, marketing staff. What to do, when to do, how to do. So all these things, a proper guidance which comes under the fourth point, directing the marketing staff. Here you have to remember simple 3 steps. One is setting goals or objectives. You have to make understanding to the staff that these are the goals of our company. We have to proceed it like this. Set the goals or objectives, whatever it may be. Once if you set the goals, if you explain to the staff, marketing staff, then it comes to guiding subordinates. Who are subordinates? Employees of the organization. Goals we have set, means objectives, we know it. Now guiding to the subordinates, tell them that you have to do this work. This is the task you have to complete it. Like guidance. Once the guidelines are given to them, then after that supervising how they are doing it. You are focusing on the implementation action, you are focusing. Are they performing properly or not? What kind of activities are going on? We have set the goals and we have guided them. Now when it comes to the execution, you have to be very careful about the supervising. If you don't supervise what they are doing, you don't be knowing. Isn't it? So supervision means keeping one eye on the employees' activities. That is nothing but the supervising. These 3 steps which comes under the directing the marketing staff. Then last step comes to controlling marketing activities. Supervision and directing, staffing, everything is over. Now you have to control the marketing activities. How to control it? For controlling activities also we have simple 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to control means first thing is that determining the determination of the standards. Determination of standards. First you set up standards. So this is the standard we have to reach. This is the target we have to reach. We have so and so. So that standard, when you fix it, then maximum you'll have a clarity about the activities of marketing. That standard you have to fix. We have to reach up to this standard. Niche or something we say, na? So that we have to decide. Then after that it comes to evaluation of actual performance. Standard we have fixed. 1 minute, I'll take marker. We have fixed the standard. Okay. Once the standard is fixed, then you focus on the actual performance. This is the standard. Now, what about the actual performance? Is it reaching up to the standard what we have fixed? That you have to be very careful. Standard is this. Actual performance, measure it. Okay, actual perform, measure it. Then after that, third thing comes to comparison of standard and actual performance. Standard performance, whatever we have fixed the standard, and actual performance. Both you have to compare it. Are you getting it? First, decided standards. Then we are evaluating the actual performance. After evaluation, what do? You'll compare what standards we have fixed and which is compared with the actual performance in the third step. Then after that it comes to taking the corrective measures. We have compared it. In case actual performance is not up to the standard, then what to do? Take the measuring steps. Can we do this? Can we do this? Can we plan like this? Can we change it like this? So these are the 4 activities which comes under the controlling marketing activities. Simple 5 functions. Just remember. First thing is what? Planning the marketing activities. Once planning is over, then organizing. Organizing is over. Next, staffing. Staffing means recruiting. Then you are directing the marketing staff. If direction is over, then controlling the marketing activity. Simple 5. Able to remember? The same thing you can say it as the responsibility of the marketing activities also. Now we'll see the tasks of marketing. We'll have some task. If no task, if no target, whatever we are doing, it won't be giving you much result. That is why we need to keep some tasks. What are the tasks of marketing? Simple 8 steps you remember. First thing is that developing marketing strategies and programs. First of all, you have to focus on the marketing strategies. If you want to develop the marketing strategies, what is needed? Good understanding. Simple, good understanding about the marketing activities. Who are the competitors? How is the market? And is it up or down? And when we can increase the price, when we can decrease the price. Like a good understanding about the marketing is important. Markets, environment. That is what we call it as a marketing strategies and programs. That is possible when you have good understanding. Then if you have understanding, you can go for the marketing strategies. Good strategies you can prepare, and programs also you can prepare it. Okay, so this is the main task. Especially for this, there are some experts are appointed in many organizations whose target, whose work is only this one only. Okay, so the main task is marketing strategies and programs to prepare. Then after that, gathering market related information. You are gathering the market related information. How is the market? Who are the competitors? What kind of changes are going on? Is it a social or economical or due to any kind of changes in the market? What is going on? So that kind of total information you have to gather it. Gathering the information, always you have to update yourself what's going on and any kind of changes are happening. So how we have to update it, and what kind of changes in the taste of the customer. So all this information A to Z which is related to our product, that information you have to gather it. This is also one of the big tasks. Once if you gather the information, you can take any kind of action, isn't it? So that is why you have to take the information, gather the information. Next, maintaining relationship with customers, very important task. Customer is the God. If customer is happy, automatically our organization will be always on high position, good position, and that kind of relation, that kind of trust, coordination, a good communication between the company to customer, that's very important. So for that purpose, maintaining relationship, how we can maintain it? Directly talking to the customers through the dealers, or asking them to participate in some of the organization activities, or inviting to some kind of what do you say, any programs. Example, simple example I'll tell you. Do you know HDFC Bank? One of the best bank in private sector, private banking sector. HDFC conducts some kind of activities for the customers. They conduct some kind of meetups with the customer and HDFC top management, or they invite some guests who can give awareness to the customers on the activities of the HDFC. Not only in simple areas, they conduct these activities in five-star hotels. Yes, I have attended once. So this is a kind of relationship maintaining between the customer and the company. Customer is happy, automatically will be always on safe side. Relationship we have to maintain. How do we maintain the relationship? Shall we invite them? Shall we give them some kind of attractive gifts, or any kind of activities we can conduct for them, or any social services? So that is, we call it as maintaining the relationship with the customers. If you say sole trader and partnership, it's very easy, they have direct dealing with the customers. But now here, customer is somewhere, management is somewhere, but still a coordination they are expecting, right? Next one, establishing brand image, very important. This is also one of the big tasks of marketing, brand image. Example, you take Bata. It is having its own brand image. Bata means it's a standard. In the same way, by taking this brand image, some people have come to the market and they are saying that Pata. Same font, same color. Instead of B, they kept Pata. Yes, I have seen it. Same font, same type of pattern, and so people may get confused if illiterated. They won't be identifying it. In the same way, first of all, you have to see that our brand image, it should not come down. We have some standards. At any cost, if the customer is not happy and he is giving any complaint, you just need to be very careful. You have to pay the most attention on that particular customer. So because the brand image should not come down, that should be always on the top. There are many organizations who are maintaining this brand. Because of their brand, whatever price they are charging, customer is willing to pay, isn't it? So that brand image you have to maintain it. This is also one of the big tasks. And then after that, designing the product. If designing is proper, customer will choose this product. Attractive, color, packing, safety, and advertising. So advertising in such a way that our product is this is having so many qualities, and this and that, all these things comes under the designing. If designing is proper, if it is attractive, if the product is attractive, then automatically customer will feel like trying at least once, isn't it? So that is also, designing of the product is also one of the biggest task of marketing. Then after that, offering value to the customer. Offering value in the sense what? Whatever they are charging, that value the customer should realize it. If suppose the product is around let's say 10,000, customer is paying here 10,000 rupees. Is it worthable? It has to be. Customer should feel happy that I paid 10,000 rupees, it is worthable. So the same point we are talking about, offering value to the customers. You are making the customer to be happy for paying the 10,000 rupees. Then in the same way, this is also one of the tasks. If the customer is happy, then only he'll buy it, then only he will give mouth advertising. Through mouth, he can give advertising to the somebody, friends, neighbors, colleagues, relatives, somebody. So that is why customer satisfaction for whatever he is paying. This is one of the tasks. And next one, creating awareness to the customers. Creating awareness. Customer does not have much idea about our product, our services, product or services. If he does not have much awareness, then what to do? Give them awareness. How to give the awareness? There are many ways. Through a media publicity you can give, advertising you can give, through the newspaper, advertising can be through the newspaper or through TV or through YouTube or through what do you say, Insta or Facebook, social media, any social media you can take, or otherwise you can call them for a small gathering also. Example I'll give you. Fortune, what is that oil? Sunflower oil. Fortune sunflower oil. They'll be conducting some kind of sessions to especially women because they cook most of the time. So awareness, new cooking recipes they are introducing, or otherwise they are gathering all the men and conducting some activities, or especially on Women's Day or some kind of activities. Not only the one product I'm saying, there are many people who always focus on that. That is, we call it as a creating awareness to the customer. Just now I gave you an example of HDFC. So regarding their new services, they are creating awareness. Sometimes we find mails also. Through webinar, you'll be having so and so speaker regarding so and so topic. You'll have awareness. SIP and some other services, whatever they are giving on that, just focus, mutual funds, this and that. So that is creating awareness to the customers about their services where the customer does not have much knowledge. So this is also task. Lastly, establishing growth. Okay, from many areas we have done something. Now ultimately what is the goal of organization is growth. Yes, we need growth. How much growth is required? How is the growth? First of all, every year, every month, like it depends on the activities of the organization, it depends on the targets of the organization. So they'll be deciding about the growth. So growth also they have to plan it properly. This is also their task. If growth is there, then they'll be very happy. If growth is down, why? What is the reason behind it? Now what action we can take it? So like there are many questions they can raise, answers also they have to solve it. So these are the main tasks of marketing. Am I clear? Tasks we have discussed total 8. Take a screenshot. There are some students who are commenting, when you say screenshot, we feel very happy, madam. Be happy. Not only just be happy, you have to study well, you have to get the good marks. Next class we'll see another topic, and stay connected, check out the playlist, and don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.